feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
One common problem with can openers is that over time, they can become dull and fail to cut efficiently, making them difficult to use. Additionally, traditional can openers may not cut smoothly, leaving jagged edges that pose a safety hazard. To solve these issues, opt for a can opener with built-in blade technology designed for easy turning and smooth, safe cutting. For long-term use, look for models known for durability and consider options with ergonomic designs to reduce hand strain. Maintaining and cleaning your can opener regularly can also prolong its life and performance.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.